right, so last week we read this book called Fall Leaves, Colorful and Crunchy. And this book told us about leaves and how they change through all the different seasons and the changes they go through. This book also told us about why leaves change color in the fall. Does anybody remember why leaves change color? Sawyer, in the fall?
Color the bottom died and turn a different color.
They turn a different color. Aubrey, did you want to say something?
They change colors because when they change colors, the wind blows, they come up, and it's good for the ground.
Yes, so whenever they change colors, they start to die, and the wind blows them off.
And
Okay. All right, so let's leave our supply bags alone, okay? We're going to put them in front of us and hands in your lap. Put your supply bags down, okay?
inside your lap.
Yep, we're not touching them yet.
Camel.
Put them away. All right, hands in your lap, crisscross applesauce. All right, so in the book it tells us that leaves change color in the fall because the days get colder and they get shorter, and so leaves stop making their food and their green color goes away. We also talked about some things that leaves and plants need to survive, just like animals and humans need. Does anybody remember some of those things that plants need, Ray, to survive?
Soil.
They need soil. That's a good one.
Water.
Water. That's one. Haley. See, Carmen, can you help her out?
Seed.
Seeds, okay. Plants start as seeds, which grow leaves. Aubrey?
Nutrients.
Nutrients, yeah, good. Campbell? Leaves. Yeah, we're talking about what leaves and plants need to survive. So if we look on this page, it tells us that leaves need to soak up the sunlight. They take in gas from the air, which is how they breathe, through these tiny little holes. And then the parts inside the leaves make the tree food, which is what the tree eats and the leaves eats. And then they also need water. So y'all got all of them right, and you got some more right. So that was what our book was about. So now I need everybody, we're gonna do a really fun activity, but I need everybody we're gonna make a circle, but do you remember how to do that?
Yes,
Do you
ma'am.
remember? All right, so I'm gonna say 1.
2.
Good, 2.
Ava, over here.
Spread out.
Aubrey didn't say.
All right, good.
I'm
Go.
squished.
There you go, right there. Okay. All right, we need to scoot down so everybody has room to sit crisscross applesauce. Scoot down. Scoot, scoot, scoot. All right, that's good. Okay, 3. Everybody can sit. All righty. So today we are going to graph. All right, we are going to graph fall colored leaves. So we're each going to get our own graph that looks just like this one. But first, I want to read you a poem. So inside this bag, I have a lot of different colored fall leaves, all right? And so you're each going to get a turn to come up one by one and close your eyes and pick one out of the bag. And you will tape it, whatever color you get, you will tape it up here next to that one, okay? So, let me read you this poem. So it says, inside this bag there are some leaves. Close your eyes and grab one, please. Which color will you see? Red, yellow, orange, brown, or green? Okay? So you're each going to get your own graph. Real quick. And so while I'm passing these out, I want everybody to get a red crayon out. Get your red crayon out.
Or all here.
Red crayon.
I squished.
Do you want to move over here?
Look like. No, that's one.
Okay.
I got my wet red. No one's there.
All right, now let's get your orange crayon. Orange crayon. All right, yellow crayon.
You can borrow my yellow.
No, I have two.
I have two too.
All right, so red, orange, and yellow crayons. We need green, red, green crayon,
Got it? Brown.
and then brown. All right, good. Okay, so let's look up here. Everyone look up here. So the very first color says what? Does anybody know? Red. So take your red crayon and color that leaf red. The very top one, the first one. Color the leaf. The leaf red. All right, so the second one is orange. So color that leaf orange.
I thought the second one was yellow. Well, I know how to
It is.
Well, it's a little different. This one's yellow, but it's orange on your paper. All right, so the third leaf is yellow.
I colored yellow.
Okay, good. So color that leaf yellow. And then it's okay. And then color the next leaf green. And the last leaf, color it brown.
I'm finished already.
All right, so this is how it's gonna work. So I'm gonna show you. Everyone look up here. Everyone look up here, okay? So this is what you're gonna do. Somebody's gonna come up here and they're gonna close their eyes and they're gonna stick their hand in the bag and grab one leaf and pull it out. And I got brown. So I would take brown next to the brown leaf and everybody would get their brown crayon and shade in a box on their paper for the brown leaf, okay? Color it all in. Color the whole box. One box in next to brown. All right, so let's start with Haley. You're first.
That's red.
So close your eyes. Close your eyes.
It's red. One is down.
Pick one. All right, so show the class what you got so they can put it on their graphs.
Brown.
She got brown. Good. All right, so you're going to tape it up here. Where does it go? Right there. Good. Put the leaf down.
No, I gave it.
Good. All right.
I'll do it.
So she got a brown one, so everyone's going to shade in this very first square right here. Shade it in brown. Color it all in.
Where?
Right here.
I did.
All right, Carmen.
Go, Carmen. I like going in a circle.
All right, come on. Close your eyes.
Making sure if I don't know where it is.
Oh,
Brown.
she got brown too.
Is it all brown? Red. Not all
Not the
brown.
C. So put it up there. All right, and then put some tape on it. All right. So color the next square brown. Okay, Bailey.
Bailey, Bailey. Come on. Bailey, Bailey. Bailey, Bailey.
So show the class what color. Tell them what color you got. So where do we put it up here? Yeah, so let me get
Layla too.
tape it up there.
Got it.
All right. When we look up here at our leaf graph, which leaf color do we have the most of right now?
Brown.
Brown. Which one do we have the least of?
Yellow.
Yellow. Yep, that's right. All right,
most.
Paisley. Come up a little bit. Close your eyes. All right, show the class.
Brown.
Y'all think that one's brown?
Again. It's orange.
It looks kind of orange to me, but what do you see, Paisley? Brown. Okay. All right, she sees brown.
Brown.
So we're gonna tape it on the brown.
Brown is going to be red.
You think it's orange? It does look kind of orange. What do we think now that we have it next to the other brown? Is it brown or orange?
Kind of orange.
Kind of orange? All right, we'll leave it there for now. Campbell, you can come pick.
Wait, I thought you said we'll go in the
Close your eyes. This is the front. So what color is it?
Fun.
Look, this is the front right here. What color is that leaf?
Red.
Red. Show the class. Show everybody. And you got a red one. So where do you put
So
it up here on
pretty.
the graph?
Red.
Red. Okay.
Three browns.
Put it there. All right. That's good.